Since we started using the GraderBit2 system, we took a 7-mile stretch of test road and we kept track of our figures and stuff on what we was saving with that. And we have went 2 years and are honestly going to go another 3rd year that we have not had to put rock on that. We put rock on a rate of 300 ton a mile. So we're saving between $50,000 to $60,000 a year just in rock savings, not counting our fuel and our labor, which amounts another $30,000, $35,000 on top of that. You know, and you spread that out over 2 years, we're saving over $100,000 just on that 7-mile road.
After operating with these bits, it didn't even take a day until I felt very comfortable with it. With the GB2 system, reclaiming that rock and bringing that rock back up to the surface is so much easier than what it was with a smooth blade.
Took a little growing pains to learn how to use them because they're different using than the conventional blades. Worked out good. I like the way they cut. I like the way it moved the material. The GB2s worked better at staying straight, smooth. I've had mine on for 3 years. They don't get that curve in them. My roads keep a better shape to them.
In the wintertime during, an ice storms or hard packed snow when it gets really tight, we was running regular Cat snow blades and trying to scarify the ice and stuff up. We was actually changing those blades out twice a day in order to try to get our ice and stuff removed from our gravel roads. With the ease of these, you can put your narrow bits in and run that, and it just acts like a scarifier, and you can run that and you can honestly go and blade snow with them and you do not leave any of the snow. There's a little bit on the road, but otherwise it cleans it off and you can still windrow your snow just like you can a set of regular motor grader blades.
There's different configurations, different bits you can put in, different combinations. The GB2 system has made things easier where I can think some things that used to be 2 and 3 passes are now 1 pass and I'm done instead of having to go over it and over it and over it. I like the way it lays out and finishes, where sometimes your conventional blades wouldn't leave you that and you'd have to redo it and go over it multiple times.
The first initial cost we thought was a little outrageous, but now that we have the system and seen what it can do, then it's money in the bank. We're estimating to get a minimum of 5 years, if not 7 to 8 years out of a set of blades on this. And if you break that cost down, you're going to be spending that much money in regular blades than what you are with this system. And you do not have the versatility with a set of regular blades that you do this GraderBit system.